Hi everyone, this is the Punyavati, lecturer in Political Science, Government Degree College, Khairabad, Hyderabad. This is the political thought, nature, methods, and significance. This is the study in fifth sem BA students in first unit. The political thought and nature, methods, and significance. What is the political science? What is the thought of the political science? Nature, methods, how to. What is the political scope, differences, significances, and importance, those are and definitions we are discuss the this sessions and next sessions. Now we teach we now about we teach the political thought and nature and methods and the significance. What is the political science? What is the importance of the political science nowadays? How to importance given by the political science in political views? Those things are discussed by the in sessions. Now see them. Introduction of the political science. Political science, how to introduction by them in worldwide. What is the name of the political science meaning, that also came now. And what is the political science? What is the political science in question mark? Political science is from police, cities, sovereignty of state, science from secrets to know, study. That is the political secrets means state sovereignty, and to know how to study what is the political. Political science is the study of the state and government. He study about and give the information about the political science in the study of the care of the state and the government. How to state run by the government and administration. What is the administration? How to connect with the state and administration to do the work in the better welfare state in the society. Those things are we are discussed now. It is the understanding of the state principles and ideas underlining the its organization and activities, that is the political, which we see the now in political parties, the principles, ideas underlying it is organization and activities, that is the underlying the state. Also understanding the state, that is the politicals. When it is the study for the body of the political, is associate of the people into the political community. You come see them the now political, we are, you are students very well in the political leaders, political parties. And last second year we are discussed the many political parties, local parties, regional parties, national parties, also discuss them. That's why today we discuss the what is the it is the body of the political and associated with people into the political community. It study the relations of the man and ground up a man grounds and man and it study the relationship of the man and groups. It is to the state, the state to the states. Is a small logic is there. Is study the relationship man of the groups. What is the groups? Religion groups, custom groups, different type of groups, relations and man and group, and man and group to the state, and state to the other states. The relations are how to maintain the political views on the political thinking. That is the political way of the teach about the political science. In political means is a study about the man and groups. Is a we should understand them. Some groups of the man, some groups of the persons we understand means, that is the political views also. అంటే ఒక వ్యక్తి యొక్క ఏంది సంబంధిత సమూహాన్ని అర్థం చేసుకోవడానికి పొలిటికల్ సైన్స్ మనకు చాలా ఉపకరిస్తుందని చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. దేర్ ఇస్ ఎ పీపుల్ ఇంటూ ద పొలిటికల్ కమ్యూనిటీ వైజ్ గా సమాజంలో సభ్యత్వం ద్వారా పొలిటికల్ గా ఎలా ఎదుగుతున్నారు, పొలిటికల్ ఎలా ఏర్పడింది, అది హౌ టు కనెక్ట్ విత్ మ్యాన్ అండ్ గ్రూప్స్ అండ్ టు ద స్టేట్ టు ద అదర్ states. That is how to spread on the political views, political science and political thinking. Political science is the social science discipline correct with the study of the state and government and politics. Political science is a social sciences subject, that is the discipline and is a study about the state, government and politics. Is a study about the how to run the state and how to administration do the government and political. So this all also discuss and show it in on the political science. Don't forget that there is the one of the social sciences subject. Aristotle defined it as the study of the state. This who's no Aristotle, this the father of the political science, is defined them as the study of the state. It deal the externally with the theory and the practice of the political and the analysis of the political system and political behavior. It deal with the extremely with the theory, practices of the political and the analysis of the political system and political behavior. And we do them political science deal with the extremely theories practically and analysis and the political system and political behavior also. We know political science is a one of the best subject is the study and tell about in the past, present and future. అంటే రాజనీతి శాస్త్రం అనేది చరిత్ర గత చరిత్ర మళ్ళీ ప్రస్తుతము భవిష్యత్తు కాలానికి కూడా మనకు కనెక్టివిటీ సంబంధం కలిగి ఉండేదని చెప్పవచ్చు. దట్ ఈస్ ద వన్ ఆఫ్ ద బెస్ట్ subject in the social science. In political science we how to connect the mans and groups and state and government and politics. Those are discussed and those are some of the part of the in part of the political science is extremely theoretical and practical also. Theoretical means he wrote the Aristotle books and Machiavelli books, Prince, the state, the political polity, those are books are see them that is the theoretical. And practicals means when we see the now politicians political government, what we do, what are agenda, those are all the practical we see in the political parties. The analysis system and the political behavior also. Political science is the social sciences connected with the chief and the descriptions of the analysis of the political and government institutions of process. There are all the some institutions process of the government and political. There is a analysis and social sciences connected with the main subject in the social sciences is the political science. This is the process also. Political science is study the polity. How do we study the political science? Study the political behavior, behaviorist approaches, study the political structure and functions, functions and approaches, study the political analytical approaches, study the political ideals, philosophical approaches, study the political documents and studying political future also. I told no political science tell about past, present and future also. That is the one of the biggest and best subject in the political science. It is the one of the part of the social science also. Is tell about the structure, functioning and philosophical approaches, documents, and future also. Tell about on the studying about on the political science, political and powers. According to the Henry Laswell, politicals is who get what, when, and how, and the that political science is the study of the shaping and the sharpening of powers, shaping and sharpening of the powers. That is according to the Loosewell's opinion in political science. So who gets what, when, and how is all questions, answers come become the politicals. He is shaping and sharpening of the powers. Power is the ability to have others do something what they like in or not. It after connect in the for those who will not obedient. These are told about in the powers, how to connect powers in the politicians, politicals. What is the political power? Sometimes whether we like or not, they're connected with the political practice. We do them political service also. Kinds of the power, legislative power, position of the power. It is the power of the individual because of the related with the position of and duties of the whole of the position when within the with an organization. Reflect powers is the power, legislative power. See the when we see the CMs and we are those political leaders, we see the legislative powers. And reference powers is the power or ability of the individual to attract to others and build the royalty. It's beside on the Christmas and interpersonal skills of the powers hold. A person may be admired because the specific personal threat, and this creation the approaching uh, opportunities for the interpersonal influence. This is the referent powers. And expect powers in the individual power derive, derive from the skills, experience, and to personal and organization need for those skills of the expected powers. We see the reward powers depend on the ability of the power, well, and the conflict values material rewarders. The powers have it is a applicable negative influence in including the ability dominate or with a whole other rewarders. The informal power information informal power is based on the total use of informational resources. This is the powers of the political. And how to authority. Authority is the legislative of use of the power. It is the right to exercise to the power and influence by the practically position that come with the position. We have three types of legislative authority: Christian authority, political order, and maintained by the phase of leader of the personality. Traditional authority, political orders is the maintained by the reference to custom, traditional, and conventions. Relations, legal authority. Political order is maintained by the regarded of legislative in the eyes of the population. This is the authority connected with the political science. Legislative, this is the mass and feeling that the governmental authority is the rightful and should be obedient. The political legislative meaning have the approval for the way one exercises political power. That is the political view. Then the source of the legislative by result providing the base need of the people. such as security, welfare, and respect for the human rights. Legislative of the habit. People thought through time become accustomed to the oblige the law of the government. Legislated by the historical religions or ethic identity. Legislature can may can from various uh, historical religions or ethics resources. Legislators are fearing the under source uh, can be government legislative by producers can also promote and provide the legitimacy. See the point of the founder. The name of people in the Philippines who are powerful. Name the kinds of the power have be source to the have explained for each other kinds of powers. Does the government of or have authority supporting your answer in the contest of ruling the government of the or state. It is the possible to have the political power without authority, and vice versa it is the possible to have political power without legislature, and vice versa. City real life explain the situation that those that may be happened in summarized. The political science is the study of how power is the achieved, share, and use in the elements of state or local governance and global relations. It is the connected with the local government and global relations also in the political science and view of the political thought. What is the scope of the political science? The theory, entry body, declaratory related or organ for the form, behavior, and process of the state, public law, governance, constitutional law, administrative law, and the international law. Public administration method and the techniques used the managed of state affair by the three branches of the government. Functions and importance of the political science to discovery and the principles that should be in the public affair and the study the operation of the government. Its funding can be used is revolution to the immediately solutions to be able to deal with the social and economical problems and other matters of the public and private concerns. They also do it all the functions of the important of the political science. Necessity of the study. Education of the for citizenship, essentially a part of the liberal education, knowledge and understanding of the government. That's why is a compulsory study in the necessity of the study of the political thought and political science. Concept of the government and state. The state community is a person more or less maniacal adequate definitions in territories have a government of its own to the which the great body in inhabited and ridden and the enjoying the freedom of the external control is the concept of the elements of the state. Mean the elements of the state. How many elements is there? Four: the people, territories, government, and sovereignty. There is the four members, four main concepts of the elements in the state. State leave means the four main elements come to the state. People, mass population live with the state. That is the state. He give the different definitions or on the Aristotle, Plato in our view of also. అంటే ప్రజల గురించి ప్రజలు ప్రభుత్వ ప్రదేశము, ప్రభుత్వము, సార్వభౌమాధికారము అనే 4 ముఖ్యమైన వాటి మీద రాజ్యం అనేది ఆవిర్భవిస్తుంది అని చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. టెరిటరీస్ ఫిక్స్డ్ ద పొజిషన్ ఆఫ్ ద సోర్స్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎర్త్ ఇన్హెరిటెడ్ బై ద పీపుల్ ఆన్ ద స్టేట్ government agency through the which the will have of the government is formed and express the carry out sovereignty, the superpower of the state to the command the enforce the obedience. This is the 4 main characters and main thinking about in the elements of the state. And we do them how many people live in the political in state, how much the territory is fixed in the state, and what is the government is the state, and sovereignty is the main causes on the ఎలిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టేట్. అంటే ప్రజలు, ప్రదేశము, ప్రభుత్వము, సార్వభౌమాధికారం అనేది రాజ్య లక్షణాల్లో ముఖ్యంగా చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. హౌ మెంబర్స్ పీపుల్ లీవ్ ఇన్ ద స్టేట్ అనేది డిఫరెంట్ గా ప్లాటో, అరిస్టాటిల్ తన వ్యూలో చెప్పారు. టెరిటరీస్ ఇన్ హౌ బౌండరీ ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ ఇన్ ద స్టేట్ ఇన్ ద టెరిటరీస్ దేర్ అబౌట్ టెరిటరీస్ దే నాట్ కుడ్ నాట్ లీవ్. అంటే ప్రదేశం అవతలగా నివసించే వాళ్ళు ప్రజలుగా గుర్తించబడే వాళ్ళు కాదు. ఇన్ గవర్నమెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ గవర్నమెంట్ వి ఆల్సో డూ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఇట్ ఇన్ ద classification of the Aristotle government. That's why 1 member, 2 members and few members, that is the type of the government of the classified by the Aristotle. అంటే ప్రభుత్వాల వర్గీకరణలో అరిస్టాటిల్ యొక్క వర్గీకరణ చాలా ప్రభుత్వాల వర్గీకరణను ఎక్కువ ప్రాధాన్యత ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. ఒక్కరి పాలన, కొద్ది మంది పాలన, అనేకుల పాలన, దే కమ్ టు బికమ్ టు డెమోక్రసీ. ప్రభుత్వాన్ని మార్చి నౌ వీ షుడ్ ఆల్సో ఫాలో దెమ్ ద డెమోక్రసీ సిస్టమ్. ప్రజాస్వామ్య విధానాన్ని ఇప్పటికి కూడా మనం వి షుడ్ ఫాలో దెమ్ నౌ ఆల్సో. ఇన్ స్టార్టెడ్ ఇన్ గ్రీక్ వాటికన్ సిటీ, నౌ షుడ్ వి ఆల్సో మోడర్న్ established countries, we should also follow now the in democratic system. అంటే ప్రజాస్వామ్య విధానం గురించి ఏథెన్స్ లో 3-2 శతాబ్దాల్లో వివరించిన ప్రతిపాదనలు ఇంకా మనం ఇంకా ఫాలో అవుతున్నాం. అంటే వాట్ ఏ గ్రేట్ థింకింగ్ అబౌట్ ద ఫాదర్ ఆఫ్ ద పొలిటికల్ సైన్స్ ఇన్ ద అరిస్టాటిల్ థింకింగ్ గురించి ఆలోచించండి. ప్రజాస్వామ్య భావాలను, డెమోక్రటిక్ వ్యూస్ అండ్ డెమోక్రటిక్ వాల్యూస్ అండ్ డెమోక్రటిక్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ స్ప్రెడ్ ఆన్ ద త్రూ అవుట్ వరల్డ్, ప్రపంచానికి వివరించడం జరిగింది. అంటే ప్రపంచంలో ప్రజాస్వామ్య భావాలను, వ్యూస్ ఆఫ్ డెమోక్రటిక్ సిస్టమ్ స్ప్రెడ్ ఆన్ ద వరల్డ్ వైజ్, అంటే ప్రపంచం మొత్తంలో విస్తరణ జరిగింది. దాంతో ప్రజాస్వామ్యం అనేది భావన అంకురార్పణ కూడా జరిగిందని చెప్పవచ్చు. గవర్నమెంట్ వాట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ కొద్ది మంది 1 member ఎలా హౌ టు రన్ ద 1 person అండ్ ఫ్యూ మెంబర్స్ అండ్ many members is come to result is a democratic and sovereignty, that is the power of the supreme power of the state commanding. And no example we do the Supreme Court, no supreme powers of the court. That is the elements of the state. Next, organ of the state, divine right theory hold under the state divine creation and rules and ordering by the God to the people. Necessity of the force theory maintain the state must have be created by thought and forces. Patriotic theory contribute on the organ of the state out to the element of the family. Social contract theory assess that the early state must be have formed by the debility virtual among people to form the a government that is of their own, that is the social contract. When we see the social contract theory in Rousseau, Hobbes, Locke, John Locke, we describe about this theory also. This is the organs of the state, divine rights theories and necessity of the force theories, paternalistic theories, and social contract theory. The famous of the social contract theories is the John Locke, Rousseau, Hobbes. Uh, these all philosophers about describe about the social contract, how to society we contract the contract by the changed with the society in this is the social theory. In contract means in our deal with a few months and few years we take up and again we give them how to social contract with theory. He give them the give them the example, give them the lesson in the Rousseau, Aristotle, John Locke, Hobbes. He give them the specific difference between give the society, what is society, how to natural society is all connected with a social contract theory. And this is the view of the political thought. We see the political thought, what is the political thought, how to correct the political thought, how to study the political, what is the political sources and scope of the political science, and organs of the elements of the state, and organs of the political state. That is the political thought come become the short more. Again next session we learn the state and national versus and state and community government and relationship. What is the subjects of related with the political science, sociology, economics, history, what is the relationship with other subjects and political science, economy, ethics, both are how related with social, how related with political science and each other subjects. Again we learn the importance of the political science, again significance of the politicals and methods also. Next session we discuss about this all topics. Okay, thank you very much. Stay at home only, don't come outside and don't eat outside food also, take precautions.